Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the exact syllabus and 2 high-yield sources so you avoid scatter. Once done, allocate a 6-week foundation window with daily 2 3-hour study blocks focused on fundamentals. This gives depth fast. Prioritize current affairs daily and 1 core book per subject to build context. Make sure to create a simple tracker for topics covered and confidence level, because measuring progress early prevents wasted time and lets you adjust sources if a topic needs more coverage. Now you shift into active practice. Read a topic for 30 to 45 minutes, then do 30 minutes of MCQs to convert knowledge into retrieval. Once done, compress each topic into a 1-page summary and 10 flashcards so revision becomes quick and focused. Make sure to run a weekly timed mock to flag weak areas. After each test, do error analysis and restudy only the mistakes. This targeted loop boosts retention and reveals high-impact gaps you must fix. In the final phase, you consolidate with spaced revision, daily flashcards, weekly summary reviews, and a full mock every month to maintain exam stamina. You also refine answer strategy by practicing 10-minute outlines and 2-page answers that use clear keywords and evidence. This trains speed and structure. If you hit a plateau, change 1 variable, swap a resource, or increase focused mocks to 3 per week, and rerun targeted error analyses so you break through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.